Hey guys, before I get too carried away here, I thought I would film this repair of a 60 series Landcruiser inner fender. This part here is quite bad. You can see there's a little pinhole in there just to the left of the large hole. So I'm going to cut this guy out. Well, it's basically cut out already. Fabricate a new piece, and then I'm going to move on to this part here, which is a little too rusty for my preference. Weld in new pieces. And then this inner fender will be ready to sandblast and paint. So fortunately I have a piece of scrap here that I can use. So first thing you're going to do is lay out your template, and then I basically use a pick to scribe out my cut lines, and then I'm going to cut on the outside of those lines, and yeah, then we're going to fit it up, make sure it fits perfectly so that both ends are flush, and then weld it in place. There we have it, welded in the new piece there. Everything else seems pretty solid, so I don't think I'm going to touch anything else. But yeah, I basically just lined it up so it was flush on this side, and butt welded it all the way around, and then used several different types of resurfacing discs to weld it in place, or to clean it up. So yeah, there you have it.